Okay, the isosceles trapezoid is part of an isosceles triangle with a vertex angle up here at the top of 42 degrees. And that's gonna, since it's isosceles, we got isosceles triangle here. By the way, one fun fact is that this base of the isosceles trapezoid and the base of the triangle and the isosceles trapezoid, they're parallel. That's something that we know. And what's that going to mean? That means that this angle and this angle, corresponding angles, will be congruent. So let's do some math. Let's say, okay, we've got 180 degrees, and we take away the 42 that we've already got at the top, and we get 138 degrees. Now, let's take that 138 degrees. For some reason, I can't write eighths. 138 degrees, and divide that by 2. You get 6. Oops, sorry, that's an 8. Goes in 9 times. And so these are each 69 degrees, there and there, which makes these 69 degrees as well. Okay? And notice that here we have linear pairs. So 69 degrees plus 111 degrees will give us 180 degrees in that linear pair. Okay, so they're saying what is the measure of an acute base angle? The acute base angles are going to be obviously the ones down here at the bottom. Okay, and because, oops, these, sorry, I'm trying to use the wrong tool. This needs to be the same as this, right? And so those have to be the acute ones. And let's write it in there. 69 degrees. And obtuse base angle, 111 degrees. Just to match it like that. Good enough?